Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. This is a 4-hour DXY US dollar currency index, and yesterday DXY made a high of 109.27. So yesterday DXY continued its bullishness and reached the 20 years high. So DXY is still flying and still unstoppable. So my request to every one of you is that please follow the trend of DXY and trade accordingly. Okay, because still we do not have any big event or news that will bring a trend change to the chart of DXY. So as long as US dollar is flying, there will be pressure on the other pairs. Okay, so today as you can see, the right now market is standing at 108.61. After some correction, market is trying to go up again, so be careful. Now let's have a look at the chart of gold USD. So here is our beloved gold, and as you can see, the right now market is standing at 1708. This is the current market price here. Okay. So yesterday it made a low of 1698. It made a low of 1698 yesterday. Okay, so 1698 will be not a very important level, but yes, under these circumstances, when there is not much volatility in the market, okay, when the market is slow, you can expect the market to bounce from 1698. Okay, you can expect the market to bounce from 1698. If you find market bouncing from 1698 level, 1700 level, then you can take a buy position. But considering the overall trend of the market, do not expect a trend reversal. You can expect a profit of 30, 40, 50 pips max. Okay, if it is more than that, then well and good, but otherwise, yes, I think that if it bounces 40, 50 pips is decent enough. Okay, and in case heavy selling comes during the US session, because yes, we have another event coming up. You can see retail sales coming up after 6 hours 51 minutes. So if DXY gets crazy again, if we see heavy selling on the chart of gold again, then obviously gold will not be respecting this level. And if gold breaks the level of 1698, if gold breaks the level of 1698 and starts falling again, you can take a sell position. Keep in mind, the ultimate support on the chart of gold is at 1680. 1681. This is the ultimate support for the chart of gold, and as you can clearly see that gold is already heading towards that level only. So things are not much good for the buyers right now. So if the volume is low enough, if there is not much volatility in the market, you can expect the market to bounce from 1698. Do not expect much. Okay, and if during the European session or US session, if we see heavy selling on gold, then obviously you can take a sell position below 1698 level as well. Okay, and I think market should give a good bounce, not a trend reversal, but at least you can expect a good bounce from 1680 level. I think that deserves a buy position. Okay, and in case market goes up from this present level, then the strongest level where you can expect some selling is around 1740 to 45 level. Okay, right now I'm just drawing a line here, but it is a zone 1740 to 45. This is a resistance zone, or you can see that we have already witnessed selling around this level previously. Market has shown price rejection from above, and if you want further confirmation, then I can show you with the help of Fibonacci as well. You can see that Fibonacci 23.6% is also present. So if we combine all the factors here, so yes, under normal conditions in the market, we can expect the market to reverse from 1740 to 45 level. If we see market reversing from this particular level, definitely we can take a sell position as well. Before that, we have another level, but to be honest, that level I am not much sure today. Okay, and I think that that level is also not a very strong resistance, and the level is, let me show you. Why the line is not coming down? No? Yeah, and the level is 1722.25 level. Previously you can see that this is the level which acted as support. So this time we can expect to act it as resistance. So 1722 to 25 may act as resistance, but I am not sure. So today two important levels for the chart of gold are 1698 at the bottom and 1745.40 at the top. 1722.25 not a very confident level for us. So whatever you do, follow proper risk management and do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Protect your capital.